Number 1. Who attended the 59th All India Conference of Director Generals, Inspector Generals of Police? Correct answer. B. Narendra Modi. Explanation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the conference in Bhubaneswar on November 30th and December 1st, 2024, to discuss national security concerns. Number 2. India signed a $50 million loan agreement with which international organization for water harvesting in Meghalaya? Correct answer. C. Asian Development Bank ADB. Explanation. India and the Asian Development Bank ADB partnered to develop climate resilient water harvesting in Meghalaya. Number 3. BMW Group and UNICEF collaborated to improve education for how many Indian children? Correct answer. B. 100,000. Explanation. BMW and UNICEF partnered to provide education, particularly STEM skills, to 100,000 marginalized children across 4 Indian states. Number 4. What is the name of Obayo's premium hotel brand that expanded internationally? Correct answer. B. Sunday. Explanation. Obayo's parent company, Oravel Stays, launched its luxury hotel brand Sunday in the UK and UAE. Number 5. Which fintech company partnered with the Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA) and I4C to boost cybersecurity in digital payments? Correct answer. C. Razorpay. Explanation. Razorpay collaborated with MHA and the Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center I4C to enhance digital payment security in India. Number 6. What is the name of the digital training platform launched by the Indian Army for officers training? Correct answer. B. Eklavya. Explanation. The Indian Army launched the Eklavya digital training platform to modernize officer training as part of the Decade of Transformation initiative. Number 7. Which IIT collaborated with IIT Mandi and CSTEP to release a report on climate risk assessment? Correct answer. B. IIT Guwahati. Explanation. IIT Guwahati, in collaboration with IIT Mandi and CSTEP, released a report on flood and drought risks based on the IPCC framework. Number 8. In which Indian state was the first ever Ganges River dolphin tagged? Correct answer. C. Assam. Explanation. The tagging of the Ganges River dolphin was conducted in Assam under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Number 9. Who won the 2024 World Chess Championship? Correct answer. D. D. Gukesh. Explanation. Indian chess prodigy D. Gukesh defeated China's Ding Liren to become the youngest ever world chess champion at 18 years old. Number 10. Who received the Jamsetji Tata Award 2024? Correct answer. C. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw. Explanation. Biocon Group chairperson Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw was honored with the Jamsetji Tata Award for pioneering biosciences in India. Number 11. NCERT launched YouTube channels in how many languages? Correct answer. D. 29. Explanation. NCERT launched educational YouTube channels in 29 languages, including Indian Sign Language, to support students in grades 1 to 12. Number 12. Which Bollywood actor was named the brand ambassador of the Coco World Cup 2025? Correct answer. C. Salman Khan. Explanation. Salman Khan was announced as the brand ambassador for the inaugural Coco World Cup 2025. Number 13. India's first border solar village is located in which state? Correct answer. B. Gujarat. Explanation. Masali in Gujarat's Banaskantha district became India's first border solar village after completing solar rooftop installations for all houses. Number 14. What is the purpose of the Jalwahak Incentive Scheme? Correct answer. B. Boost inland waterway cargo movement. Explanation. The Jalwahak Incentive Scheme aims to improve cargo movement through India's inland waterways, reducing transport congestion. Number 15. Who was appointed as the brand ambassador of Ratnakar Bank Limited RBL Bank? Correct answer. B. D. Gukesh. Explanation. Chess prodigy D. Gukesh was named the brand ambassador for RBL Bank after his historic World Chess Championship victory. Number 16. What is the name of the automatic train protection system unveiled by Indian Railways? Correct answer. A. Kavach. Explanation. Kavach, meaning shield in Hindi, is an indigenous train protection system designed to enhance railway safety. Number 17. Which city became the first in India to implement the three new criminal laws in their entirety? Correct answer C. Chandigarh. Explanation: Chandigarh became the first state UT to fully implement India's new criminal laws, integrating police, forensic, and judicial systems. Number 18. IIT Madras became the first research institution to release detailed 3D high resolution images of which organ? Correct answer C. Fetal brain. Explanation: IIT Madras achieved a breakthrough by releasing the most detailed 3D images of the human fetal brain, aiding medical research. Number 19. What is the name of India's green hydrogen fueling station set up in Leh? Correct answer A. Amara Raja Infra Green Hydrogen Station. Explanation: Amara Raja Infra set up India's first green hydrogen fueling station in Leh, supporting sustainable energy goals. Number 20. Which Indian chess player became the second after Viswanathan Anand to breach the 2800 ELO rating? Correct answer C. Arjun Erigaisi. Explanation: Arjun Erigaisi became the second Indian to surpass the 2800 ELO rating, ranking among the world's top chess players. Number 21. Who was named Times Person of the Year for 2024? Correct answer C. Donald Trump. Explanation: Donald Trump was named Times Person of the Year for 2024, marking a historic political comeback. Number 22. What was Oxford's Word of the Year for 2024? Correct answer C. Brain rot. Explanation: Brain rot was chosen as Oxford's Word of the Year for 2024, highlighting concerns about excessive social media consumption. India was re-elected to which UN body for the 2025 to 2026 term? Correct answer C. UN Peacebuilding Commission. Explanation: India secured a position in the UN Peacebuilding Commission for another term, reinforcing its role in global peace efforts. Number 24. The 14th Asia Oceania Meteorological Satellite Users Conference, AOMSAC 14, was hosted in which Indian city? Correct answer D. New Delhi. Explanation: The India Meteorological Department, IMD, hosted AOMSAC 14 in New Delhi, focusing on satellite data applications in meteorology. Number 25. India signed a $225.5 million World Bank project for which purpose? Correct answer C. Forest and Ecosystem Management in Tripura and Nagaland. Explanation: The World Bank approved $225.5 million for improving forest management and economic opportunities in Tripura and Nagaland. Thank you. Something exciting is coming soon. Are you ready? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. See you next time.